Did you know that in 1791, a dead frog's leg twitched and scientists became convinced they had found the secret of life itself? Luigi Galvani watched electricity move through muscle and believed feeling and charge were the same thing. Alessandro Volta built the first battery trying to prove him wrong. But what if Volta had believed him instead? Imagine a world where the Voltaic pile evolved not to power cities, but to store something stranger. Copper and zinc, layered and stacked, not holding current but holding grief, holding joy, holding the specific ache of missing someone you loved. Pharmacies with rows of small metal cylinders on dusty shelves. A label reading melancholy, mild, 40% remaining. A drawer in a dead man's bedroom, full of feelings he never gave away. You could run out. You could be handed someone else's sorrow by accident. You could find a battery of pure wonder, fully charged, left behind in a coat pocket. Mary Shelley already warned us. Life was never meant to be bottled, but we would have tried anyway.